Welcome back to my channel, guys. Feeling ko, I feel like it's Friday night. Hindi pala. Thursday night, guys. I just came home from work. Charot. Guys, no. I just came home from, driving and a bit, of course, tired. And I just want to, share this video. So, I'm about to sleep. And night na, ganyan. Pag walang kausap. So, this is the channel wherein maybe I am myself is cultivating hope through creativity, but maybe in any form, in any genre. Wow, talaga naman pa-artist. Pero yes, guys, so wala akong kausap. So guys, I want to show you this video. So, maybe may pa-podcast on the side, yung ganon. Alright? So, thank you guys for your support. Please watch my other contents on this channel. Prototypes, hope, ideas, or an idea can spark hope. Alright? So, check out guys. Gusto nyo yun? Thank you guys. Share this video habang nakahiga. Charot, Viva Max. No, just kidding guys. Just I wanted to share with you kasi guys, so tired. I'm having fever. So while I'm doing this video, wala lang guys. I don't know. That's how I will the voice over. Alright? So guys, check out ha. Exciting to, exciting. With on the side may pa voice over na pa-anime yung ganun. Okay guys, thank you guys. By the way, isn't it when you're single? Yung ganyan, dahil mo sobrang oras. Anyway guys, ang sarap. I really love the perks of while having enough memory on your phone to vlog. Guys, my gosh, I'm so really stingy. I mean, I got an extra SD card years ago in my other phone, and I don't know how to use it. I had it installed, and then I just did research, and then I thought one of these days, and then I just spared. I just used whatever memory was available. I'm so guys, basta ewan ko ba't ganun ako. Guys, I just got lazy to use it, to research how to use it. Diba? You're trying to be techie but you're not. Yung ganun. Okay, sige na nga. Wala talaga akong kausap pero ayun na. Okay, so thank you guys. So this one guys is stewed taro leaves in coconut cream, and that is another plant there. So sharing guys, I got cucumber from home. And then this one guys.
Do you remember me? Hi! O Kam, kain tayo. Dali. Let's go. Hi! Kain tayo. You want to meet Mika? My other cat? Hawakan kita anak. Ayaw mo. Sige. Hindi.
Guys, this is labong. Sandali. Okay, banana shoot as they say guys is the bud from the banana tree. Banana plant, banana tree. So, I sliced the cucumbers, of course, and then I used it as a filling. Because I was so hungry, guys. I wanted to, just eat this one. It's so good, guys. So, just a simple eating, guys.
Oh my God, how are you? Mika, come. Mika, kain tayo dito, dali. Kain tayo, dali. Kain. Come. Guys, let's eat. Picnic. Oh my gosh. This one is labong. This is laing. Gusto mo? Bibigyan kita. Gusto mo pero ako na kumakain. Ang sarap guys. I give. Lika ito. Chicken. Ang hirap kunin. Lika ito. Come. Here oh. Here. Eat na. Eat. Sarap, no? Good. Ay, ito pa isa ay. Happy siya, happy. Thank you, guys.
This one, guys, is called marang, be it in Tagalog or English. It's the cousin of jackfruit and breadfruit. Okay, this one, guys, is another inspiring story. The same day of Thursday, we went to some kind of restaurant. I won't say what kind of restaurant. Basta I'm surprised. I know that this usually is offered to some to our beloved seniors, but I saw some kind of an elderly already senior citizen serving food in the restaurant, surprisingly. And I was supposed to feature her here on this content, but I researched it's not allowed. It's the privacy of the restaurant. But somehow, for those of you who are kind of already thinking of it's not anymore possible for you to do other things, you want to work part-time, some restaurants do, unless you really ask or maybe research in your municipality, your nearest municipality in Quezon City Hall. In fact, yun lang, guys, I wanted to share kasi I interviewed a ma'am, her name, I can't say her name even for the privacy also of the company. But if you are maybe somebody who is already kind of in the same age, and I'm waiting for my 10 years after I'd be already in my senior age, but maybe you're seeking for something to do, isn't it? Like, it's possible for as long as you think you're fit to still, work or do something just 4 hours. She works 4 hours 5 times a week rather. So that inspired me, that sparked hope when I talked to her, and she was so kind of jolly about her job. So guys, that's about it. I'm still gonna share a lot, guys, just spare me some but I hope, guys, these are Pixabay videos. Thank you so much. Take care.